Hey, what's up guys? I'm back to try something new. Saw this at the store, had to try it. I did get the small bag, get a bigger version of this somewhere. This is Kettle brands. The flavor is pimento cheese, spicy. So I happen to love pimento cheese. I never buy it. I've only had it, you know, parties or out and about places. Just a handful of times in my life, but I do really like it a lot. Pimento cheese is the pimento pepper, which you guys probably know more inside of like olives. Like if you have cocktail olive, the little green olive with the little red pepper in it, that's pimento pepper. We take those peppers, you mix it in with like a cheese dip. It's like kind of a, not really a loose dip, it's kind of a cheese spread, I guess you'd say. But anyway, it sounded interesting. This should be cheese, it should be pepper, it should be spicy. We'll see. Part of the reason I got this is because it was a small bag. I didn't want a bunch of extra chips, and plus, you know, this is only half filled, so it's like 2 handfuls of chips. Oh, that smells really good. It smells spicy. I smell the pepper, and that's pretty much it. Let's get an actual. They seem to be all broken. Here's a small little chip. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Damn, that's good. That is a fantastic flavor. Here's a big one. All right. Mmm. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really good. It has just a little bit of kick. It's not really super spicy. I would imagine if maybe you have a bunch of them as you're eating them, it gets hotter and hotter, but very tolerable heat. A very good strong cheese flavor. It almost tastes like you don't really get the pepper, the pimento pepper flavor a lot. It's adding to the cheese flavor, but it's like predominantly cheese. But it's very specifically like, almost like a processed cheese. Like, you know what actually tastes closest to? A cheese ball. You usually, at least Americans, we know these around the holidays. You get the cheese ball. There's 3 different versions of it. It's covered in the nuts. So it's quite literally a ball of cheese. One's like port wine mixed, cheddar or whatever. You know, another one is the white cheese with the nuts and the, you know what I'm talking about, right? That cheese spread we get around the holidays, that's the type of, that cheddar, exactly. Like the crumbly, hard, dry, I guess you'd say, cheddar. That flavor is in these chips. That's what I taste mostly. So that makes it really good because I happen to like those cheese balls. It's special to me and actually reminds me of Christmas. It's the only time I really ever have it as a Christmas. It's funny because I actually see it at the grocery store all year round. And Christina hates it, my wife. It's very, like I say processed and you think of like Kraft single cheese. It's not like that. It's a different type of process. It's crumbly. Like it's super salty, you know. I don't know, like it's a dry cheese whiz type flavor. It's really hard to explain, but if you've had the cheese balls before around the holidays, that's exactly the flavor. All right, but a little bit of spice as well. Yeah, I dig it. I think they're good. Anyway, that's it. This is part of the Kettle Tailgate edition. So I'm not sure if they're gonna have more of these flavors, but there you go. Pimento cheese and spicy. Oh, there it is. It's always later. It's always when you're done chewing or whatever. I just got kicked, nudged in the back of the throat with the dry pepper spice. It happens. So anyway, that's it. If you've had these, let me know what you think in the comment section. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.